So right now I'm in ConvertKit and I'm trying to send a broadcast email, and this is the email which I want to either exclude or include a particular zip code. So what I'll do is I'll firstly go ahead and draft my email, whatever I want to write, and then I go to next step, which is share, and this is where I would select the subscribers that I want to send the emails to. So right now it is selected all the subscribers, but we want to, let's say, just send an offer which is only applicable for a particular zip code. So what you can do is you can go to match all of the following and all subscribers. You can go back and change to distance from a postal code. So right now this is the postal code we are selecting, and you can say within 10 miles or you can do within 50 miles, even 1 mile would work. So I'm gonna try it with firstly with the 10 miles. If you look at the subscriber count here, it is 2598, and let's see how it changes when we select that. So you can select the country, so United States. I'm gonna select the zip code that I'm in, and I'm gonna add the filter. So now it shows me that there are 29 subscribers of mine which are within 10-mile radius of where I live. So this is an amazing fact for me when I didn't know about that. So let's reduce it to 1 mile. Let's see if it shows up anything. There are 25 people who are within this 1 mile area of the zip code, so that's good. So something like this is if you want to send an email to the people in this particular zip code, you can do that. You can also exclude them. So to exclude them, you need to change the filter. So we'll go to matching none. So right now it's already included all the subscriber, excluding those 29 people who are in this zip code. So you can really use this feature to send an offer to a particular group, or you can exclude that particular location. So this is how you can do it in ConvertKit.